School can feel like a never-ending cycle of assignments, early mornings, and stress. But what if I told you that you could turn it into something magical? I'll show you how to romanticize school, so you actually look forward to your days. Let's make your school life feel like a cozy, inspiring movie. Imagine you're the main character in a coming-of-age movie. The school halls, your runway, that cup of coffee in the morning, your aesthetic ritual. Start seeing every little moment as part of your story. Because it is. Romanticizing school is all about shifting your mindset from, I have to do this, to, I get to do this. Instead of saying, ugh, I have so much homework, try, I get to learn and improve today. Small shift, big impact. Studying doesn't have to be boring. Set the scene, light a candle, play lo-fi music, wear a cozy sweater, use cute stationery, pastel highlighters, and make your notes look aesthetic. The more visually pleasing your space is, the more enjoyable studying becomes. Bonus tip: romanticize even the boring classes. Take aesthetic notes, use color coding, and pretend you're in a vintage library from an old book. Create little traditions that make your days feel magical. Write a letter to your future self every semester. Keep a small, meaningful charm in your backpack as a good luck token. Press a flower inside your notebook every time something good happens. These tiny rituals make even the most ordinary school days feel like they belong in a nostalgic movie. And here's a fun one. Assign a different vibe to each day. Maybe Mondays are for soft girl aesthetics, Wednesdays are for dressing like a Pinterest it girl, and Fridays, your ultimate glow-up day. Your outfit has the power to change how you feel. Even if your school has a uniform, personalize it with accessories, a signature hairstyle, or a cute bag. Wear perfume that makes you feel expensive. Confidence starts with feeling good about yourself. Next time you walk into school, do it like you own the place. Walk with confidence and take in the small moments. Want to make school feel like a beautifully curated aesthetic? Create a hidden world that only you know about. Maybe you always spray a specific perfume before class, so every time you smell it, you feel instantly put together. Or you leave little handwritten notes for yourself inside your notebooks. Motivational quotes, lyrics, or tiny sketches only you will see. You could even start a secret playlist for different moods. One for rainy study days, one for confidence boosts before a test, and one for walking through the hallways like you're the protagonist of a coming-of-age film. So from now on, don't just survive school. Make it beautiful. Make it fun. Make it yours. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.